Hi, this is a short tutorial showing how to replace the front piece from the regular front piece for half length darts to the one that I designed with the hop up for the 50 caliber foam balls. So the foam ball I'm using is sold by Monkey Mats. Monkey Mats. Looks like a small golf balls. I never got a chance to try those smooth ones. It's called Gacha. I I live in Canada, so I never got a chance to have that. But this one works really well. Anyways, so this is actually also works as an inline clip for this kind of foam balls. So to have a good seal, make sure when you load the foam balls, you load it from the back. Whereas when you are loading the darts, you load the darts from the front, right? For foam balls, always load it from the back. And when you load it, please load 2 per barrel, okay? So right now I just load 2, and you turn it, and you can load the next 2. So you got X barrels in total, so that makes that 16 balls. And every time you pull the trigger, there will be only 1 foam balls flying out of the barrel, okay? So that gives you 16 shots. You don't have to flick. It will be auto-loaded. So yeah, it's amazing. You have to try for yourself. Anyways, this one still works, just no hop up. So the trajectory of the foam ball is a bit like curved down, right? Just like a rival rounds of Nerf without hop up. But with hop up, it flies flatter. So it's very easy to replace the front piece. Okay, so just pull lightly, and then you can just take it off. Notice that there are 2 notches here. It matches with the slot here on both sides. Okay, so this is without hop up. So this is for darts, and this is specially designed. You have the hop up for the foam balls. Yeah, with this front piece, it's good for foam balls, but not good for darts for reasons, of course, because right now you have the hop up in place, and that will be hindering the darts that is flying out of the barrel. You're gonna see whirly birds. Okay, but foam balls works great. So that's it, and we only have 2 here. So let's try that. Okay. See, so that's 2 shots, right, from the same barrel. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.